Are you okay there, kitty?
So high right now. I'm just so high right now.
She's losing it.
Grace kitty.
She don't know what to do.
I think she's having a good time.
Look at the head.
Oh man, I'm so high right now.
She's high. Look, she's looking for more.
Must rub myself in the carpet.
You feeling good, kitty?
I think that is a yes.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen many cats react to catnip before. This, by far, is the most enthusiastic.
I've never seen one before.
No, never?
Uh-uh.
Most of them just rub into it and they just seem exceptionally happy. She's aggressive. This catnip is going in my body, either through my skin or through my mouth.
I thought she was like gonna sniff it first, but no, she would like get everything.
I wanted to, it's still on my fingers, so watch this when she gets over here.
Oh.
I think she likes it.
Yep.